Hello, welcome to this update for Typhoon Kong-Rey. So let's see what's happening. So we still have it there near the Philippines. It's still forecast to go towards Taiwan as a very strong typhoon by Wednesday. And there's the remnants of Tropical Depression Trummy there near China and Vietnam. Still some heavy rain there. And yeah, it's mainly it. Nothing crazier on the horizon, but this typhoon might be very dangerous there, so we really need to watch it. They currently have it potentially making landfall close to like 100 215 kilometer per hour sustained winds, so please be aware there. And now the track has shifted like southern Taiwan. Before was more like northern Taiwan, so like the official track, they have it as like going to southern central Taiwan there, curving and affecting Japan later. So this might cause a lot of problems there. So like 115 knot winds before makes landfall in Taiwan, and then like some 75 knots, weakens to 75 knots after landfall. So please be careful there. Please be aware. The current forecast, the European model is more than like 500 millimeters southern Taiwan, and all of eastern Taiwan more than 300, 400 millimeters. So please stay safe there. This might cause some tremendous flooding, some very dangerous landslides and mudslides and everything. So please stay safe from like flash flooding, landslides, mudslides, plus the wind. So here there's a very strong wind now between the seas in Taiwan and China, and then some gusty winds near the islands of Japan and everything. But then it shows this system coming that the European model has this passing very close to the northern Philippines, close like 120 km per gusts in the northern Philippines, and the swells from this might leave some rip current dangers in most of the eastern Philippines, China, Taiwan, and even Japan there. So be careful. Plus the storm surge in the Philippines and Taiwan especially, it'll be very bad storm surge when it makes landfall in Taiwan. But those islands like Lenio and Basco might get some good coastal flooding too. So please stay safe. So yes, on Wednesday this approaches more, and the European model has reports of 143 km per hour gusts in Basco and some other islands there. Then it goes. This is crazy. The European model has upwards 198 km per hour gusts in the island of Basco. So please stay safe there. It has in like Cala 112 km per hour gusts, and then Lenio has upwards of 175 all the way to 198 km per gust in Lenio, and occasionally 205 km per gusts in Lenio. So please stay safe if you're like in Basco, in It, Bayat, in Lenio. So please stay safe those areas. This will be a serious system. When it goes to Taiwan, the European model supports of 197 km per gusts throughout most of eastern Taiwan, and the rest of Taiwan of 112, 137 km per gust. So please stay safe there. In those islands, they're very strong too. The southern islands of Japan might still get more than 78 to 85 km per gust. So please stay safe. This keeps going there. Might be some more intense winds near eastern China too, and southern Japan. So yeah, be aware. And then this goes away there. Might leave some gusty winds near like Shanghai, close to like 67 km per gust on November 1st, and then Japan. So please stay safe there. So there's the GFS too. It has a going there, passing very dangerously close to those islands. The GFS is more than 158 km per gust in Basco. That's already more than enough to cause some damage, a very dangerous storm surge. And then it has it going towards Taiwan, close to like 117 km per gust, all the way to 134 km per gust on the coast there. So please stay safe as it passes in Taiwan there, and affecting parts of eastern China too, so please stay safe. There's some big population areas, northern Taiwan and eastern China. Be careful with flash flooding and everything else. There's the icon, it has it there, alright, very strong, and then the icon goes, passes like near Basco, close to 153 km per gust there, and all the way to 159 km per gust, 170 in It Bayat, and as in Lenio, all the way to 184 km per gust. So please stay safe, and occasionally like 191 km per gust there. So please stay safe. And then it has it going towards Taiwan, like 162 to like 189 km per gust. Some seas in the eastern coast of Taiwan, upwards of almost 200 km per gust. So please stay safe there. The winds plus the storm surge with this will be no joke. So please stay safe. It passes Taiwan, leaves some very strong winds in all the other areas of Taiwan. There might be many power outages and wind damages in other areas too, near northern Taiwan as well, because of those winds. So please stay safe. Then it goes away there, and might affect Japan with more rain. So please stay safe. The icon has upwards of like 500 millimeters in parts of Taiwan, 400 like 144. So please stay safe. The GFS has support like 434 millimeters in Taiwan, 411. So please be careful there. This is a very serious system, so please stay safe. This plus the waves, ooh, when this comes, will be insane. Like near Basco, it by out more than 10-meter waves, almost 11-meter waves, and around Lenio show like some 11 to 12-meter waves. So please stay safe. There might be a lot of coastal flooding and stuff, and some swells and rip currents in much of the islands of southern Japan and those areas. So please be careful. And then down the road, the European has this passing near eastern China with more than 100-200 millimeters for eastern China. Then towards Japan later, it's like 174 millimeters in Japan in the next 6 days. And like in Jeju, South Korea has a lot too. So please stay safe there. And most of it in Japan will be November 1st and November 2nd. So please be careful there too, and stay safe in Taiwan. This is a very serious system, so that they have the warnings here for Taiwan, the track area, and some wind speed probabilities here in the site for Taiwan, so you can find a lot of information here. They also have this heavy rain warnings in parts of Taiwan. They will have a lot when this typhoon arrives. There are strong wind advisors too, so be careful. I'll put this link in the description to see the warnings. So please be careful there. Here's Kong-Rey. It's a little bit more organized, but not that strong yet. And then the models generally take this towards Taiwan and pass near Japan later, and generally in that direction. So please stay safe there. There's like here the Western Pacific, the GFS does show like some, it goes there, the GFS like 940 and 950 landfall, very strong typhoon. Then it passes eastern China, goes towards Japan with some heavy rain too. The GFS tries to form something in the South China Sea again, and yeah, and there's the European, it passes there, has a pretty strong system too. There's like some 968 landfall there in Taiwan. So please be careful. The icons, the strongest I think is like 940 something landfall, like very major typhoon. So please, please stay safe there. This is a very serious system. There's the Canadian too, shows like 9.7. That's too weak, I think. But like the rainfall accumulation from the Canadian, it has like in Taiwan upwards of like 400 millimeters, 300 to 400 millimeters. Also in southern Japan, more than 200 later. So please stay safe in those areas. And there's the GFS. It has like 300, like almost 200 millimeters in Shanghai. Then it has this going towards Japan, more than 200 millimeters later. And the icon has a similar thing. So be careful, like in Taiwan, Japan, and China. There, especially in Taiwan, follow the orders for local officials and have supplies and everything you need to stay safe and alive from this. So please, please be careful. Stay safe. Stay safe there. And let's see. In other areas, still some occasional heavy showers in Indonesia, so close to 90 millimeters. Malaysia, some areas, some heavier thunderstorms during the day. Parts of Indonesia, parts of Vietnam, especially where the tropical depression is at, still some more than 100 millimeters for southern China there. So be careful. And then still some thunderstorm or two in Myanmar, some more southern Myanmar. Still some heavier downpours near Sri Lanka, some in India, but nothing that crazy. So be aware, some rain in eastern China, might be some snow in Tibet, and yeah,